Good morning, all of you. Myself, Rajulal Soni, PGT Biology, St. Joseph Public School, Tom. Today, we will discuss about the topic of cell. Listen carefully. You can watch any type of building of the world. What are the basic fundamental unit of a building of the world? The basic fundamental unit of a building of the world is maybe a brick or maybe a stone piece. Both are the fundamental unit of the buildings. Without these two fundamental units, we can't build a building of the world. In that manner, all living organisms, whenever I will talk about the organism, you should have to confirm what is organism. Organism is another phenomena and another word. Organism. Organism means it is made up of two parts, that is all plants and animals. It means whenever we will talk about organism, it means we are talking about bacteria, we are talking about plants, we are talking about animals. It means we are talking about living world. It's okay? So all living organisms of the world are made up of a fundamental unit. Fundamental unit means without that unit, that life cannot be possible. That is fundamental unit. So it means all of the living organisms of the world are made up of a fundamental unit, that is cell. So what is cell? Cell is a fundamental unit. Okay? अब देखिए मैं लिख रहा हूँ cell. What is cell? Structural and functional fundamental unit of body. What is cell? Cell is structural. Cell is functional. फंडामेंटल यूनिट ऑफ बॉडी. इट मीन्स दुनिया के किसी भी स्ट्रक्चर को, लिविंग स्ट्रक्चर को बनाने के लिए जिस फंडामेंटल स्टोन की नीड होती हैं स्ट्रक्चर को परफॉर्म करने के लिए, सपोज दैट वी वांट टू मेक अ रेक्टेंगल, लिविंग रेक्टेंगल, इट मीन्स वी हैव अ नीड ऑफ अ फंडामेंटल स्ट्रक्चरल रेक्टेंगल यूनिट, दैट इज सेल. फंक्शनल, फंडामेंटल फंक्शन करने के लिए all of the functions of living organism are performed by a fundamental unit, that is also a cell. It means structural and functional unit. Structural, structure form करने वाली. Fundamental, आधारभूत बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर तैयार करने वाली. Functional, सारे फंक्शन परफॉर्म करने वाली. That's why a structural, functional, fundamental basic unit of life is known as cell. So what is cell? Now we have to confirm that cell is a structural and functional unit of our body. And there was another concept. What is organism? Organism means all of living things. Cell. What is cell? What is cell? Cell. Clock of wall. वॉल क्लॉक में भी पीछे एक सेल लगता है. बैटरी है ऑल्सो अ सेल. मोबाइल बैटरी इज ऑल्सो अ टाइप ऑफ सेल. वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट सेल, दैट आर द इलेक्ट्रिक सेल्स. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द सेल. व्हाट इज सेल? सेल इज द स्ट्रक्चरल एंड फंक्शनल यूनिट ऑफ द बॉडी. सेल टर्म इज द लैटिन टर्म. लैटिन, व्हाट इज लैटिन? लैटिन इज अ लैंग्वेज. लैटिन लैंग्वेज, अकॉर्डिंग टू लैटिन लैंग्वेज, cell, it means cella, and cella means chambers. The small chambers are known as cella in Latin, and cella means English cell. So what is cell? Cell looks like a small chambers. Latin term cella given by Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke give the term cella in Latin language, which means cell. Okay. What is the mean of cella? Cella means chambers. Chambers just look like हनीकॉम्ब स्ट्रक्चर, यहाँ मैं कुछ सवालों पे ध्यान दिलाना चाहता हूँ. लिसन, प्लीज अटेंशन ऑन द टॉपिक. व्हाट वाज द लैटिन नेम ऑफ सेल? सेला. हु डिस्कवर द सेल? रॉबर्ट हुक. व्हाट वाज द स्ट्रक्चर परफॉर्म्ड बाय रॉबर्ट हुक लुक्स अलाइक? आंसर आएगा हनीकॉम्ब स्ट्रक्चर. honeycomb structures. Cell was discovered in 1665 century and discovered by Robert Hooke. Okay. Very good. आगे देखते हैं. रॉबर्ट हुक discovered a dead cell in cork of plant. What is cork? Cork is the part of bark. Cork is the part of bark. Discovered by Robert Hooke in cork cells. It means cells was discovered in cork of plant. Very good. First dead cell. Dead means non-living cell. Actually, cork is non-living thing. It means it was living, but after maturity, cork become non-living, and these non-living things was observed by Robert Hooke in 1665. That's why I want to say that the first dead cell of the world was discovered by Robert Hooke in cork of plant, and cork is the part of bark of the plant. Now first living cell. Which cell? First living cell of the world was discovered by Anton von Leeuwenhoek. Anton von Leeuwenhoek. Who was Anton von Leeuwenhoek? Who discovered the compound microscope? 1632 to 1723 he observed first living cell in liquid pond water, and that's why the credit of discovery of a living cell going to Anton von Leeuwenhoek. Thank you.